I want you to focus on one thing right here. With how chaotic trading is, it's very important to keep things ultra simple, stupidly simple, ridiculously, painfully, brutally simple. Because I'll tell you what happens if you don't. If you don't keep things simple, you have millions of variables to account for. And millions of variables by which are premised on the fact that are completely random. They could mean one thing, they could mean another. You could have some good news that occurs in the market and it actually causes price to drop. You could have a moving average crossover and it's a perfect time to get a trend reversal, but then it just continues in the original trend. You could have Fibonacci pullback, the 61.8 golden zone, and then it keeps going down after you buy. There's all sorts of things, and nothing is really super predictive unless you get enough experience to start being able to use your discretion and intuition to make trading decisions based on the context, based on your discernment of the price action, and based entirely on your applied experience. So what does keeping simple look like in trading? Whenever price looks like it's in an uptrend and you buy and you put a stop loss just under the recent low and then you just let the trade run, that is an example of keeping things simple. Vice versa, price looks to be in a downtrend in your subjective opinion with lower lows and lower highs on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, the 15-minute, the 5-minute, the 10-second chart. But whatever time frame you're looking at, a price looks like it's going in a downtrend because it's making lower lows and lower highs. Then it pulls back, looks like it's making a lower high, and then you enter a sell with a stop above the most recent lower high that you think is in the downtrend. Meaning if it just breaks past that, you think, all right, the trend might be over here. I'm just going to scratch the trade at a loss. As long as you're making a little bit more when you're right versus what you're losing when you're wrong, even with the 50% win rate, let alone a win rate higher than that, you can still be technically profitable, provided that your winners are bigger than your losses and that you win at least half the time. Which, if you look at the stats in trading, half the time price is going to go up, half the time price is going to go down.